how to pay with crypto.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Misnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can pay using the crypto.com. Now I'm unable to show you in detail here, but I'll just be guiding you through this website here. I'll leave a link to it in the description below, so make sure to check it out as well. Now first, how to pay with crypto.com. You can see you want to choose crypto.com as a payment method on the shop's checkout page. Agree to the terms and conditions and website terms of use and click the place order button to proceed to checkout. So on the shop's order page, you want to first head to checkout, and there you want to, on the payment option, you want to choose the crypto.com. So you can see here on the checkout page, click on the crypto.com pay button, choose which crypto.com payment procedure you'd like to use. Payment via crypto.com application you'll like to choose, then or payment via ERC20 wallet holdings Crow tokens pay checkout. So this way you can make a payment via crypto.com application. You will see a pop-up page with a QR code. Open your crypto.com application and click the shopping bag icon on the home screen to access pay. Alternatively, click the pay button on the dashboard. Once you do so, there you want to head into pay option as you can see here, and then tap on scan. And here, as you can see, you'll be able to scan it and confirm the payment, and your payment will be made. So this way you can pay with crypto.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.